Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I am here with your general reading. This general reading is going to be for April 2023. Before we get started, I just want to say that Aquarius, these videos are designed for those of you who are on the go or live a busy lifestyle. You can just pop in your earphones, your headphones, and just listen to your general guidance for the month. These are not designed for you to kind of like sit there and watch and see card shuffling on camera and things like that. For my work, I do not need to use cards, and also I think that card shuffling can be a little distracting sometimes too. So this is going to be for those of you who just want to hear what's coming up. So if you like this style of reading, this is your channel. Welcome, and please hit the thumbs up button before you go and subscribe. Also, there's a comment section down below where you can leave a comment too. All right, so Aquarius, let's jump right in. Let's talk about April 2023. Okay, Aquarius, so April 2023 is going to be a highly spiritual time. The same is true for all 12 zodiac signs. This is a very inspirational time. So if you are an artistic, intuitive, and just simply magical Aquarius, magical, and you know you are that kind of energy, then this is your month. All right, this is the month where you can truly show off your skills of creativity, your skills of spirituality, because some of you are so spiritual too. Okay, some of you are empathic, you're sensitive to energy, you are intuitive, you are a reader, a tarot reader, a psychic, you are gifted. Okay, you can even be a priest, a preacher, that kind of thing. Some of you are musicians, performers, philosophers, teachers, or artists. Whatever it is that you're doing in the world, something that is creative, something that is spiritual, or something that is artistic, you guys can be put in a leadership role as a highly charismatic leader. People want to look up to you and they like you because of your charisma and how you express yourself and what you talk about and what you do. So you will be realizing your higher purpose and meaning in life, becoming like a master among men. Wow, especially if you are a feminine energy here. You can be masculine too, right? Masculine energy, men, they read and watch these readings all the time, right? So you can be either one, but I just think kudos to the women, because if you are a master among men, and men in terms of like male or female human beings in general, right, then that's still a good thing, because it means that you are very wise and can provide wise counsel to other people. All right, so April is a beautiful energy. This energy is spreading through all 12 zodiac signs, but specifically if you have any kind of relationship with a Taurus in the month of April, Taurus energy, if you are connecting with a Taurus sun or a person who has Taurus rising in their chart, then this is going to be good. Even if they have Taurus Venus or Taurus moon, then this is going to be a good connection or a good person to remain close to in April, for those of you who know any Taurus individuals. Okay, this may not apply to everyone, but if you do have a Taurus in your life, this is a beautiful time for you guys to stick together, collaborate on something, build a partnership together, or work on something. You may want to check on the Taurus reading if you do know a Taurus or have a Taurus in your life, or just watch the reading that I posted on the Taurus April 2023 reading, just to see what the energy is like for Taurus and how you may be able to fit into that picture yourself. Okay, but yes, this is going to be a beautiful time for you guys, a time where love and relationships may be really on your mind, Aquarius. I sense an energy of you guys having a sense of unity within a group of people, a community unity, okay? Communication and working together with other people, which creates unity in a group of people. I feel like people are going to want to come together to support you. I feel that maybe if not, then you are the person bringing people together for some sort of fundraising idea, a trip, or a family reunion, a talk, a meeting, or you're bringing people together through love. Okay, the love that you express through your art, or the love or spiritual guidance that you give to people. Okay, or you may be speaking to a group of people. It could be like public speaking here. All right, but whatever it is, I feel that you're doing things through love now. You're going through that love energy, creating things from that space of love and through your heart chakra. Okay, now speaking of love, this can be some of you coming together with a spiritual partner, your divine God sent partner. A lot of you could be meeting a spiritual soulmate here. Okay, this is someone who knows you on a soul level. You already know them on a soul level. This is a spiritual union here, twin flame energy coming together. So a lot of you are finally going to be in a relationship with your divine masculine, or your divine masculine is finally going to be in your life. Okay, divine feminine, they're finally going to be in your life. So this is a beautiful energy here. Okay, whether you're male or female, highly spiritual time, a high time to meet those soulmates. All right, now if you are already committed or married to someone, you're already taken, then this is an especially important time to create a sense of unity in your home environment with your person and your family. It's all about bringing the family together to have little meetings, powwows, doing family activities like watching movies all together in the same room, playing games, that kind of thing. It's all about bringing a group together here, okay? This is going to help you follow your calling. I feel like a lot of you are going to feel like, you know what? I think my calling is bringing people together. You know, like after April, you may start to feel like this is what you're supposed to do, because you're going to realize that through you working from your heart space, that you're going to raise the vibration of a current relationship in your life or a group of people in your life. Okay, now I do hear wedding bells. Wedding bells. Here comes the bride. Yeah, here comes the bride. A lot of you, congratulations. A lot of you are going to be getting proposals. You're getting married to someone, or a lot of you are getting remarried, or you're thinking about remarrying someone. You could be thinking about proposing to someone. You could be thinking that maybe the person you meet is going to be the person that you're going to marry. All right, so there is big marriage energy. Okay, I feel like your next significant relationship, if it happens in April, then that could be a person that you guys may want to consider being with. Okay, because I don't like to give future predictions in a general reading and then sell people a dream and it's not their story. You know what I mean? I don't feel comfortable with that. But what I do feel comfortable with saying is that if you do meet someone who you think is worthy of that, then that could be a potential for you. Okay, if that is something that you personally want. Now, this is also a good month to fine-tune yourself, Aquarius. You know, fix yourself up a little bit here. Some of you may be working on your personal etiquette, how you treat others, how you speak, how you eat. You may be taking it old school for some of you. I get a sense, why am I saying that? I get a sense that you guys have to either look really polished for something. You could be going on job interviews or having to meet with clients. Somebody works in real estate and they're meeting with a new type of clientele. Maybe you're doing upscale homes now or upscale businesses, okay? But I'm getting like someone works in real estate and has to look up to par, or you're going on job interviews, or you just want to look more presentable now. Maybe you want to look like a catch, look like a snack, you know, whatever you guys say nowadays. But that is something that you may be thinking about, like, oh, I want to look like this now. You may be wanting to buy suits, a man or woman. You could be wanting to do that. You could go from super casual to business casual, and that's your style now. Or you could be wanting to cut your hair. You want to look more polished, more shaped up. Okay, so there is something about changing your appearance or maybe your etiquette. Okay, so either one. I'm also getting that some of you are going to be so interested in astrology, zodiac signs, and things like that. So you could be involved in some kind of astrological studies. Okay, this could be where other people or groups of people or your friends are also doing this with you. All right, you could be teaming up with other people to do this for some. But overall, Aquarius, I feel like you're staying focused on your innermost desires, your goals. You're keeping a lot of this like beautiful love energy to yourself. I don't sense that you guys are opening up a lot to other people about what's going on in your love life. I feel like you're keeping things to yourself. You're keeping secrets here about a lot of things that's happening now with you in your love life. Some of you may be keeping money to yourself more. You may find that you're a little tight with money, or you're a little, acting funny with your money. That kind of thing. But I think that is because you are fine-tuning yourself. You want to invest more in yourself now in a particular area, or maybe you're wanting to invest more in a particular person now. But whatever it is, you are more bougie possibly for some of you, or you're just like really loving on yourself, and you just want things to go well for you. And so you privately, want to have this beautiful relationship or connection with this new person, and you're just wanting to keep it under wraps because you may feel like other people could ruin it, and you don't want that. All right. So yes, the wedding bells are dinging, Aquarius. That is your beautiful reading for April 2023. God bless.